welcome back to my channel. As you can probably see, this is a try-on haul, but before we get into it, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you who are new. My name is Sarah. I am a petite fashion and beauty blogger. Love if you go over to my Instagram and follow me at _baldambition. And also don't forget to click that red button down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on my latest posts and latest videos. So as you guys can already see in the title, this is a giant Forever 21 try-on haul. This is actually the result of 3 different shopping trips, so it is a bit of a big one. But before we get started, I did want to address just like a couple of things first. Yes, I did my hair, and if you see the flashes of pink, you're not going crazy. I really did put pink in my hair. I love it. My hairdresser and I do this every once in a while. Sometimes like when I'm touching my hair, I'm like, yeah, let's throw color in. So I decided to throw in pink. Another thing, for anyone wondering, yes, this is a Sailor Moon shirt. I love Sailor Moon. From back in the day, I used to play Sailor Moon all the time as a kid. And if you guys watch Sailor Moon too, please, please, please head down to the comments below. Tell me which sailor lady, I forgot what they were called, but which sailor character person you are. I was always Sailor Mars, so I'm interested to see what other people were. And the last thing that I wanted to address before we jump into this giant haul is that if my under eyes look a little bit weird, sorry, I am reacting to something. I think that it's Rapid Lash. If you guys remember my haul when I was like, oh, I'm just going to use Rapid Lash on my lower lashes. Well, my under eyes ended up getting really puffy. So they, you know, when it puffs, it like creates more wrinkles. So they got really puffy and they're starting to deflate and it's starting to go away, but it's still there a little bit right now. And then also the skin under there got really dry. So it's just feeling really dry. Like clearly the concealer's like catching it. So I'm trying to sit a little bit further back today just to spare you guys. But if you guys are like, what's wrong with her under eyes? That's what's going on. I'm reacting, I think, to Rapid Lash, using Rapid Lash on my lower lashes, but it is getting better. I'm almost there. So yeah, that is what's going on in my life. What's going on in yours? All right, so we will jump into this haul. Last disclaimer, I am still sick. If you saw my e.l.f. versus Shape Tape or e.l.f. versus Tarte video, yes, I am still on the mend from that. But we'll just go ahead and jump straight into this haul because I'm sure you guys are tired of listening to me complain about things going on in my life. So the first thing that I got from Forever 21 was something that I just couldn't resist. I did get this in the store and it's like flipping on itself, but it was these chained booties. I am in love with these. I'm like, I couldn't help it. I even texted a friend. I'm like, am I crazy to get this? Like, I know that spring's coming and like these are so heavy. This is like dead of winter type shoes. But she's like, no, get it, because it was $19 and then an extra 20% off of that. And I was just like, I can't not get them. These are so great. I think I can still make them work for the springtime. Maybe like do it Daisy Duke style where I have, you know, like some shorts and like maybe a cool little like distressed sweatshirt or a graphic tee or something like that. So I think I can definitely still make these work, or even like kind of do a kind of like edgy and sweet style. Pair these with a dress, like a little summer or spring dress. I think that I can do it. So yeah, this was the first thing that I got. I love these boots. These are super cool. And then I'm going to move on to accessories just because they're sitting here and I'm like, I'm going to tangle them at any second. So I might as well just start organizing them and showing them to you guys. So Forever 21, when I went, I don't know if it's still going on, but they were doing 30% off of bags, and then some of the jewelry, or most of the jewelry, was like buy 2 get 1 free. So I did get 3 necklaces. I got this really pretty, just delicate cubic zirconia teardrop necklace. It's gold, and then the stone, sorry, I'm trying to like get it to flip correctly. So the stone is supposed to be like clear cubic zirconia, but it's a little bit yellowy, but I don't mind that. I actually I'm glad that it's a little bit yellowy. I wanted that. It's kind of like almost like a champagne. So I really like this one, and this one will be great to like layer with other necklaces that I already have, or even just like wear alone, just like as a dainty little piece. And then the next necklace that I got is, ooh, we are getting super tangled here, is this layered piece. And like I could even just totally throw this into the mix completely with this necklace if this isn't enough layering, but this is like 3 strands, so this is fine. But I love this kind of style that kind of like dangles down, especially with something that's a little bit low cut. Even if this dangles into it, like I love that look. So I have a couple of different tops that I plan on wearing this with, but it does come with like 3 layers, and then the longest layer is the thickest. And then the last necklace that I got is this silver necklace with these like 3 rings that are intertwined. I just needed more silver jewelry. I don't really have a lot. I get a lot of gold, and then I get some like copper or rose gold ones, but like I definitely need more silver, so I grabbed this little guy. I like it. It's just nice and simple, very, very easy to wear. And then I also did get a pair of earrings. I have been loving like bold rhinestone earrings. If you guys have seen my vlogs, you guys know that I hang out with Michelle. She's Revel and Row here on YouTube a lot, and she's been wearing a lot of like rhinestone, like bold earrings, and I've been loving it. So I decided to go ahead and get a pair. This is the pair that I got. It is pink and then this peach color and then 2 clear stones, and it's the teardrop on the bottom. And I really, really like this pair. I think that this will be fun. I especially I would love to pair it with something like this, just like a simple kind of graphic shirt with like these really, really nice, they're from Forever 21. How nice are they? But like these really like bold rhinestone earrings, I think is just like such a fun style. And then piece of jewelry that I got is this kind of layered chain bracelet. Has a cross on it, a coin, and a little gold rose right there. So I kind of like this because like I've been loving the look of layered necklaces, but I've always been into like layered bracelets, and I love that this has like 3 chains, so I can easily do that with this without like needing to wear like a stack of 16 Alex and Ani's, because that's pretty much what I do whenever I layer my bracelets. This was a nice like simple piece to just like throw it on once and you're done. All right, moving along into this giant box of clothing. The first piece that I got is this white tie top. It like ties in the front, which you guys will see in the try on, but it is a little bit cropped. And it does have like this nice kind of like pattern on it. It's very subtle. You can barely see it, but it's kind of like they're just, oh, there you go. You guys can see it in the camera right here. It's this nice like kind of square pattern, but like super subtle. It's like all white on white. And I love this just like as a casual kind of summer top, or even for spring. This one would be great with a pair of shorts, with a skirt, with jeans, with anything. You could really wear this top with just about anything. And I love tie details. I love shirts that like tie at the bottom. I think that it's so cute and so effortless. So I'm really excited to wear this one with a few of the other pieces I actually got in this haul. The next item that I got, I cannot believe this one. Like I was so astounded by this that I literally texted someone right afterwards, and I was like, I just got a pair of denim shorts for $2.40. Like literally, guys, I got this for $2.40. I don't think that the deal is going to still be going on by the time this goes up, but if it is, I will definitely make sure to link it below. And obviously to all of the items that I'm getting, if it's still available at Forever 21, I'll go ahead and link them down below. But I will mark it if this is still on its promotion. Because yeah, it was originally $12.90, which like to start off with, I was like, oh, $12.90 for a new pair of denim shorts. I'm totally down. Like that's not a bad price. And then she rung it up and it was like $2.40, and I was like, wait, stop bringing things up. Go backtrack. What? How much was that? And even the sales girl was like, oh my God, are you serious? I can't believe that this is like less than $3. I was like, oh my God. But it's just like these pair of like classic denim shorts. I did get the dark one, so this is the indigo wash, and they are cuffed. And they are high-waisted, which I love. I love high-waisted denim shorts just because they're flattering, because, they suck you in or you want to be sucked in. Yeah. So these, again, were $2.40, but I mean, regular price is $12.90, so if it does get back up to that, that's still not a bad price, guys. The next item that I got is what I actually went into Forever 21 for, and of course, I walked out with more than I was supposed to. I literally went into Forever 21 for earrings and for these shorts, and then like I walked out with like a whole lot of stuff. Like the first 5 or 6 items that you guys are seeing from clothing, I got when I was only supposed to buy these shorts, but that's okay. So I got these shorts. They're a little bit wrinkled just because this type of material does wrinkle, but it's these tie waist shorts in kind of like, it's not yellow, like chartreuse. It's like a chartreuse color, I think. But yeah, I just really like these, nice and effortless for the summer. I love wearing shorts when I've worked out my legs, but I'm always in denim shorts, and denim shorts have a tendency, because I am short and also I have thicker thighs, like denim shorts on me tend to like bunch up in the crotch and look a lot like shorter than they're supposed to look. So I've been trying to like vary up the type of shorts that I'm wearing, because like something like this isn't gonna bunch, because like this is actually pretty soft material. So as I walk and stuff, it's just gonna keep like, you know, not stretching out, but like it's not gonna bunch. It's just gonna keep staying relaxed. So it won't like ride up and look 3 inches shorter than it's supposed to look on me. But I'm really excited to wear those. And I think like the tie waist is gonna be so flattering. The next item that I got was on clearance, so it was an extra 30% off. Again, if it is still available at Forever 21, I will make sure to link it for you guys and like mark that it's, you know, on sale and stuff. But it is this leopard silk, it's not actually silk, but like leopard silk like bomber jacket. And I love it because like the color behind is almost like a peach color. And actually, is this more Dalmatian? Maybe it is. And sorry if you're hearing anything, and if I'm shaking, my dog just walked in. Hi, Spartacus. So anyways, sorry guys, I don't know how that's gonna look, because I've been trying to tell him for the last 2 minutes to sit down and he won't. But anyways, so it's this awesome bomber jacket. I love it. I like that it's lightweight, because I wanted some outerwear for like the summer / springtime that isn't just denim jackets, because I have a ton of denim jackets. I love denim jackets. And then like I have like a couple of pieces of like light colored suede jackets and vests, but I needed something more. So definitely super glad I came across this in the clearance section. And then this is the last piece from like the stuff that I got from my second visit to Forever 21, but it is this bodysuit. I normally don't like nude colors on me because it can wash me out. Since I'm tan, it just like makes me seem a little bit like washed out. But I was really loving this bodysuit. I love the lace-up tie neckline, and also too, this is so flattering. It just like cinched my waist in so nicely, and I was just like obsessed. I didn't want to get it. Like when I grabbed it, I was like, oh, I really, like, I hope that I end up not liking this. And this was like, I went into the dressing room originally with 10 things, and this was the only thing that I walked out with, because I was obsessed with this. I loved it so much, and it fits so well. So I can't wait to wear this with like a pair of shorts or a pair of like linen pants. This would be so great with that, and a pair of like strappy heels. So I think that this can be like a great bodysuit staple in my summer and spring wardrobe. And then when I was at Forever 21, I also got this little, it's like a lunch bag gold clutch. It was on sale, and then I got an extra 20% off, so it was nice and cheap. But I just like this, something to like switch up my purses, because I actually have a lot of purses, but I tend not to like film or shoot with them, because a lot of them are old, and like I don't know if I can still link them for you guys, and I hate shooting things that I can't link, because I know you guys ask for it or like where to get it, and I just have to be like, well, it's old, it's not there. So I've been trying to like get a few more like bags that I can switch out that are still available. So I know that this is still available on forever21.com. I'll make sure to link it, but I just love how cute it is with this like little lunch pail detail. You can hold it underneath, or you can hold it at the top like it's like a little lunch bag. So super cute. So the first thing that I got from that second Forever 21 shopping trip was this red romper. I love red. Red is my favorite color, and I love rompers, especially in like the summer and springtime, because they're nice and airy and stuff. So this one is more of like a high neck, but it does have spaghetti straps and like the low sides, so you know, and get nice and airy through it. And then also it's a lightweight jersey material, so I would love this one with like a belt, and then maybe a pair of wedges and a denim jacket. There I go again with a denim jacket, or even just like a blush suede kind of a jacket or something like that. This one would be great for date time, or maybe even just like an afternoon at the beach, maybe getting drinks and stuff. So the second one that I got, I can't wait to wear this. Like, I already know how I'm gonna shoot this and everything, but it is this striped bodysuit. It's just like a spaghetti strap, kind of like a little V-neck right there, but what I love is these stripes and these colors. It totally reminds me of ice cream and summer and candy, so I can't wait to wear this. I think that this is gonna be like a really cute piece, super summery, and I mean, it's just a really good staple kind of a bodysuit with some nice colors that definitely go with the season. And then the last item that I got from this shopping trip at Forever 21 was this jumpsuit. It's just like the romper. It's kind of like a jersey material. It does wrinkle easily, so sorry it is wrinkled in here. But it's this really pretty kind of like a peach color, almost like a deep peach. And it has this drawstring waist, so I like that because I am short. This is a little bit long on me, but what's nice is because of the drawstring waist, I can move the waist up and down as I need to make it look appropriate for my proportions. And also too, the bottom does have like elastic on the bottoms of the pants of these, so it's not like it's hanging down on me. And also it has pockets, which I love. I always love pockets. So yeah, I definitely like this one. Again, with a pair of wedges and a denim jacket is always great. But what I like about this is that it's just like so comfy, and it's like a pant without needing to be like super, super hot as the weather's getting warmer. And the last few items actually came from my original Forever 21 order. These were the only 2 items that I kept. But the first one is this really, really pretty, delicate polka dot dress. I love the little tie detail on the neckline. I know the neckline is like super deep, but I do plan to wear something underneath. And then I love these like ruffle tiered flutter sleeves. I think that that's so pretty for the springtime. Polka dots are a thing right now, so I definitely love this dress. I feel like I'm definitely going to be wearing this dress a few different places, maybe on a date night, even though Trevor hates polka dot, but I love polka dot, so he can deal with it. Or even just, you know, for brunch with the girls or something like that. This would be a really, really pretty, fun dress. And the very last item is another dress. It is this striped dress. It is just like a straight dress, kind of like a t-shirt dress, long sleeve. But I love this kind of dress. It's like a nice staple dress because I can definitely wear this to work, maybe with like a blazer thrown over, or honestly, my work is super casual, so I could like just wear this and maybe a pair of booties and a cardigan or something like that just to work. And then this can also definitely be dressed up. I could wear it with those boots that I had showed earlier in this haul and a leather jacket for a night out with Trevor for maybe like dinner and drinks. Or this is like a great weekend dress to go running errands in with like a pair of sneakers and just like a zip up hoodie or something. So it's very versatile. I love the stripes. Stripes are definitely a thing for spring right now. So honestly, I actually have a lot of striped dresses, and my justification was like, oh, it's in for spring, so I need more. So I got one more striped dress. Honestly, it's a classic style. You can't go wrong, even though it is quote unquote in right now. It's something that will always just kind of like eternally be a classic staple piece. So that was everything that I got in my Forever 21 haul. I hope you guys enjoyed my first try-on haul. Let me know if you see any pieces that you love, or if you went shopping at Forever 21 over the last few days and saw anything that you think that I should check out. Feel free to leave like a link down below in the comment section. Don't forget to tell me which sailor, soldier, sailor babe, whatever you were if you watched Sailor Moon. And also, of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know to do more try-on hauls. And don't forget to check out my podcast, Milk and Whiskey. The channel is always linked below, as well as our website that has all of our links to Spotify, iTunes, all of those places down below in the description bar. Again, all of the items that I showed, if they are still available, will be linked down in the bottom bar as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!